Hey, what's up? Evan here. In this video, we'll cover another flag tutorial, and this time from Turkey. A couple of years ago, I had this design of the Singapore flag. I generated a star molecule and I went on a design sprint to create a lot of flags with stars. The Turkish flag is one of them. You can find all of that in the links in the top right corner. Without further ado, let's begin. For this diagonal fold, you don't really have to do that because I was just checking if it's really a square. And the reason I'm using pink because I ran out of my red white papers. So the pink is the nearest. Diagonal fold to the middle. Repeat on the other side as well. Now what you're going to do is to reverse fold this little crease that you just made and resolve the bottom into a square shape. So of course this becomes a star and this becomes the moon. Let's zoom in and develop the star. So now you have the 5 points pointing in various directions. Just peel out a little bit to reveal the white color and just do it in a nice and neat way. There's no hard and fast rule. How are you supposed to do this? And I'll speed through this. Okay, good job. So now let's develop the moon. Just a small announcement here. I made the moon a little bit too gentle. So do shape the moon to have sharper curves as what you see in online examples. Generally the base is already there, so just shape accordingly and you should be fine. Fold to the middle lengthwise. Just a bit will do. We run the crease and then quarter it because we want to narrow down the flag. This will of course be followed by a sink fold later. So with these creases, do sink folds to narrow down the whole model. Okay, and here is my updated moon. I wonder if you can see the difference. What I'm going to do is to narrow down diagonally. We don't need to show too much paper in the end product, so just narrow it down like shown, and we will bring the star closer to the moon. And finally, bring the excess paper over. The flag of Turkey is complete. Just have to glue down the loose flaps and you are done. You should get a end product like that. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, do check out other flag tutorials that you see on screen. I will catch you there.